Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's daily news on Environmental Daily. I'm Ella Rappaport, and today's episode is on a worldwide issue. The amount of oxygen in the world's oceans are decreasing to very low levels. This sudden decrease in oxygen levels are due to not only acidification of the world's oceans, but to global warming as well. Curtis Douche, professor at the University of Washington School of Oceanography, says that, quote, "As the climate goes up, the amount of oxygen will go down, but it's really hard to look in the ocean to see this change." End quote. Douche and other scientists have discovered that while some regions won't see changes because of the low oxygen levels until about 21,000, while other oceanic regions, like the Indian Ocean, will see changes because of these dropping levels as soon as 2030 to 2040. Why are these decreased levels of oxygen an issue? Well, the marine life in the ocean need oxygen to survive, so with these dropping levels, they won't be able to survive for very long. Let's go over to our field reporter, Ella Rappaport, to learn more.
Thanks, Ella. Hello, folks. I'm here at this beautiful beach off the coast of the Indian Ocean, here to talk to you more about these dropping levels of oxygen in the world's oceans, also called deoxygenation. You may ask, if fish live in water, why do they need oxygen to survive? Fish do actually need oxygen to survive, but they don't breathe it in. Fish take in the oxygen that is in the ocean through their scales. However, if there isn't enough oxygen in the ocean, marine life will start to die out. This is a direct cause of global warming. As the climate gets warmer, so do the oceans. The ocean levels rise when they get warmer, and they aren't producing enough oxygen to provide for all of the marine life living there. The marine life actually needs more oxygen as the temperature goes up, which makes it very difficult for them to survive if there isn't enough oxygen in the ocean's warmest periods. Also, because the ocean is so warm at its surface, the deep ocean isn't receiving nearly as much oxygen as it requires for the marine life to live. They will struggle to survive. Global warming not only affects land and the animals who live on it, but also the world's oceans and its marine life. That's it for me here, so let's go back to the studio.
Thanks for that really great and informative report, Ella. Anyway, that's the new environmental news. But how can we fix this problem? One way to reduce global warming so that oceans can contain more oxygen is to reduce the use of fossil fuels. When fossil fuels are burned into the air, they make the air and the atmosphere warmer. So if we reduce the use of fossil fuels, the air will be cooler, as will the oceans. If factories stop burning so many fossil fuels into the air every day, deoxygenation will be less of a problem in the future. So do what you can today to prevent thousands of marine life from dying out because their oceanic habitat doesn't contain enough oxygen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on Environmental Daily.